made a video on how to withdraw money from Binance to another app, and I was getting comments from people asking me where is the withdrawal address, where can I get the recipient address, and so on. In this video, I'm going to show you the step-by-step guides to withdraw money from your Binance app to another crypto app or exchange. So let's get started. Log into your Binance account, and then at the bottom right corner of the screen, tap on Assets. And here you have the option to deposit, withdraw. So since we are withdrawing, I'll tap on withdraw. So here I'm being asked to sell crypto via bank transfer, wallet, or more. Depending on your country, not all countries support sell in USD, and P2P I think is supported by some country. And this withdrawal here is to withdraw via crypto network. So when you tap on withdraw, the next page you have to choose the crypto that you want to withdraw. So let me search for USDT here, USDT. So here is it. So I'll select USDT. So here I'm being asked to send via crypto network and send via email. So this option is to send the crypto or the USDT to another crypto app like Bybit, BitGet, and so on. So for those people asking me during the withdrawal process, where can I get the address? You have to get the address from the other crypto app. So withdrawing is the same thing as sending money to somebody. So if you choose to withdraw, it's as if you are sending the money from your Binance account to another Binance account user, or you are sending the money to another crypto app like Bybit, BitGet, and so on. So when you choose USDT, you will be asked to send via crypto network and send via email or phone ID. So when you choose send via email or phone ID, you will have to enter the person's or the recipient's email, phone number, or Binance ID. So I did not choose this one in the short video. So what I selected was this one, send via crypto network. So and I was asked to enter address, network, and so on. And a lot of people were asking me, where can I get the address, where the withdrawal address? You have to get the withdrawal address from another crypto app. Okay, here is how to get the address of another crypto app that you are withdrawing the money into. So let me get the address from my Bybit. So here is my Bybit. Tap on it, and then I will tap on assets, and then I'll choose deposit. Then I'll be asked to select payment method. Then I'll have to choose deposit crypto. So here I'll have to choose USDT. USDT is here, search history, or you can use this search bar here to search for it. So I'll choose USDT here, and I'll be asked to choose the network that I'm going to use for the withdrawal. So what I'm going to use is TRC20, which is strong. So let me select this one. So a notice says, please confirm that you are depositing USDT to this address on the TRC network. Mismatched address information may result in the permanent loss of your asset. So I'll tap on OK, and here is my address, and the network is TRC20. So all I have to do is to copy this address, copy successful, and I'll go back to my Binance, and then I will long press on it, and then I'll paste the address, and the network I selected is TRC20. Look at it. So I have to select TRC20, and then I'll enter the amount that I want to withdraw from my Binance into my Bybit account. So let's say max. I don't have anything there, that's why it's showing 00. So I will now tap on withdraw here, and the money will be withdrawn from my Binance to my Bybit account. So here are the things you need to know. You need to make sure that you choose the right address. Do not send money to a wrong address. If you choose BEP20 or TRC20, make sure you send to that same address. For example, if you choose BEP20, while sending the money, make sure you choose BEP20. If you choose TRC20, while sending the money or withdrawing the money, make sure you choose TRC20 to avoid losing your funds. There's one more thing left. I've made a video on how to withdraw money from Binance to bank account. So watch this video to see the step-by-step guides of how to withdraw money from Binance account to your bank account. So whichever country you are and you want to withdraw money into your bank account, watch this video. I've explained everything that you need and the step-by-steps you need to follow. Watch it, and I will see you in the video.